there, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute little flower puff keychains, and you can whip these up in no time. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to use a yellow and a white. I'm going to use a 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. You'll need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle as well. Here's just a little crochet tip. I use just a small little colander, and I run the yarn through the slot like so, and then you can just start pulling on your yarn as needed. Okay, to get started, we're going to make a magic circle. So I'm going to lay the yarn across my hand. I'm going to wrap it around my first finger, cross it over, and wrap it around my second finger and hold it with my thumb. And I'm going to slide my hook underneath this first piece of yarn, grab the yarn, pull it through, twist it, and chain 2 times. There's 1 and 2. I'm going to place 12 half double crochet within my magic circle. So we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull it through. There's 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So I'm going to do this 11 more times. You will have a total of 12, and the first 2 chains did not count as your first half double crochet. Okay, I believe that is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I'm going to pull on that and cinch it closed. Don't worry about this. I'll show you how to pull that closed tightly. Okay, so I'm going to leave quite a bit of yarn here. Pull this out and we'll do an invisible finish. I'm going to go into my first stitch. Go under both loops, pull that through. Come back to our last stitch we did, go into the back loop and the one directly underneath it. Pull that through, and that makes for a nice invisible finish. Now, I'm going to try and cinch this closed even more. And to get this circle to close all the way, I'm going to thread my yarn needle here. I'm just going to go underneath a few of these stitches all the way around, like so, until I come back around to the beginning. Like so. Look how that closed up. Now I'm just going to tie off. Okay, go ahead and make one more. So you'll need 2 of these. Okay, now that we have our 2 middle sections, I'm going to place one of these aside, and I'm going to grab my yellow, and this will be the color of our petals. So you can start in any stitch around your middle section, load your yarn, and chain 3 to begin. Then we're going to start making our puffs, our petals. So we're going to yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through and draw up, yarn over, only pull through 2. You'll continue this into the same stitch until you have a total of 4. So yarn over, insert your hook. I'm tucking this yellow yarn behind as I go. Grab the yarn, pull it through, draw up, yarn over and pull through 2. There's 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, draw up, yarn over and pull through 2. There's 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go into the very next stitch, go under both loops. I'm still tucking my yellow yarn as I go. Grab the yarn, pull it through and draw up. Yarn over, pull through 2. There's 5 loops on your hook. We're going to go until we have 8 total loops on our hook. Yarn over, insert into the very same stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through, draw up. Yarn over, pull through 2. There's 6 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, same stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through, draw up. Yarn over, only pull through 2. There's 7 total loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert, very same stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through, draw up. Yarn over, pull through 2. There's 8 total loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yarn over and very carefully pull through all 8 and chain 3. There's your first petal. You're going to insert your hook into the very next stitch. I'm still tucking this yellow yarn as I go. Grab the yarn, pull it through, and you're just going to slip stitch. So there's your first petal. Chain 3 and continue making your second petal all the way around. You will do a total of 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come on back when you have completed your 5th petal and we'll continue together. Okay, so I'm just finishing up my 5th petal. Go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain 3 that you created in our round, and then chain 1. And I'm just going to leave quite a bit of yarn here so I can make a chain with both colors. Simply tie the ends of the yarn together to complete this side of the keychain. So you will need to go ahead and make one more flower puff, just the flower without the chain at the end, and then come on back and we will finish up together. Now that we have both sides completed, I'm just going to match up my flower petals with the back sides facing each other and stitch all along the outer edge to hold them together. Simply add the keychain hardware of your choice and you're finished. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Happy crocheting!